Imagine it now. Matt Gaetz, attorney at law, with a gavel in hand and a slackened jaw. He's not just a lawyer, he's a brand, he's a look. He's the AG who skipped the rulebook. The courtroom agog as he strides through the door, our fair system's top cop, upholding decor. With each law he drafts and each case he reviews, he makes AG Barr look restrained, fair, and shrewd. No legal conundrum too dense or obscure. For Gaetz would rely on the tried and the sure. A retweet, a TikTok, a high-profile thread, where justice gets served with a red-pilled head. Imagine subpoenas via Instagram Reels, as Gaetz posts his verdicts with patriot zeal. No jury required, just like and subscribe. Justice doled out to the real American tribe. The rule of law in his deft YouTube clasp would trade habeas corpus for hashtags and gasps. Would he prosecute banks, perhaps crack down on crime? Or is justice reserved for his TikTok good time? A crusader for selfies or selfies alone. The scales of justice tipped by his iPhone. In his America, justice can thrive with selfies and memes and elections live. The conjoined logic of Twitter and law, Gaetz could be Bannon and Elon's new claw. The law of the land, by poll and by post, attorney general, influencer, host. Under Gaetz's bold reign, so fierce and so free, law would be bound to the rhythm of spree. An office for clout, not truth nor reform, the halls of justice, just part of the swarm. Yet let's not assume it would all be so grand. When justice flows where his selfies stand, what of the cases without likes or views? What of the innocent, quiet, abused? To those in the shadows his spotlight won't reach, for justice is bottlenecked, free speech impeached. So many cases would never find grace, without his approval, his public embrace. When the law is a brand, bottlenecked and bent, justice lies dormant, weak and spent. Imagine the harmony of case and result, an endless causal chain like gears that revolve. Gaetz presses a button, the justice lights flash, decisions are rendered, fast as cash. But would outcomes align with cause and effect, or is this a charade, our law's dialect? For justice to thrive, cause must birth fair end, not broken by whims, nor flexed to bend. Yet under Gaetz's hand, quick judgments flow, with results divorced from the crime below. Perhaps though a thought, before we adjourn, that such a scenario holds much to learn, in the folly and fright of Gaetz's domain, is a cautionary tale through laughter's refrain. For justice is brittle when built on fame, and laws become shadows when ruled by game. So ponder the paradox in a fresh light of Gaetz as AG, both jester and knight. A circus of hashtags, a courtroom of flair, where justice is subject to the lens and the glare. For the rest of us watching, let's hope and pray our legal system keeps grifters at bay.